See, the question is x plus 1 when this number divides x cube plus 1.
Yes, sir.
I want you all to see properly. Do not make noise. Just try to listen what I am saying. See, here is the standard form. Equation is written in the standard form. X cube plus 1, and we are to multiply x with the numbers so that this will come into resultant x to the power 3. So x square should be the number. Now, when x is multiplied with x square, the result will be x cube. And when the x square multiplied with 1, it results in x square. We know that in division here we have to subtract. Minus x square and plus 1 will be written in the second step. And as we know that we have to write algebraical equation or polynomial in a standard form, so its degree is decreasing, its degree should be written in the decreasing order. So here it is 2 and here it is 0. Now again we are trying to eliminate minus x square so that x will be multiplied with minus x. Then the result will be minus x square and minus x. We know that sign will be changed because of subtraction. This will be cancelled out, and here it is x plus 1. Now here is also x plus 1. So only 1 is required to multiply. The result will be x plus 1, and its subtraction, the remainder is 0. So you can say that x plus 1 is the factor and x square minus x plus 1 is the quotient. So this is the answer of x cube plus 1, and this is a formula also. Okay, this is a formula you have to learn. This is the factorization formula of a cube minus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. You will have to learn it also. Okay, got it? Now, please note it down in your copy. Very important division is this.
Sir, sir, in this x square, sir, you have left a space now between that.
Why
You have
to
taken
leave a space?
plus one.
No, no,
You
no.
have
I
given
just,
minus one.
what I am saying, I have to write the algebraic polynomial in standard ordered. That means descending order of their power. So whether you are writing 1 and here x square minus x square, these two are unlike term, will not be added. Whether it is written one by one or in the same column or in the same order, it does not violate any law. So you can write wherever you want. You can also use to write here also. Okay, it's not a problem. So it is only up to you where you want to write. But here, when you are writing in the next step of this question, it should be in a standard form, so that you require to divide or cancel this x square. Clear?
Yes, sir. सर तो वो जो प्लस वन है सर उससे आप सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं किए मींस प्लस वन माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर.
Yes, this is very important question. Now I want to ask from Sakshi. What is the name? Please, who is really responding very well today? Name, beta? Nandini. Sorry, Nandini. Are you there in the meeting? Nandini is not present. Okay, I'll ask question from Abhishek. Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Abhishek, answer me. अगर हम दो आम में से 3 अमरूद घटाएंगे तो क्या बचेगा?
सर दोनों ही बच जाएगा.
मतलब घटेगा नहीं, ये कह रहे हो तुम?
यस सर।
अच्छा, उत्कर्ष पूछ रहे हैं कि सर अगर मैं 1 में से एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस करूंगा तो क्या होगा, और आपने क्यों नहीं घटाया? मैं मतलब कोई अच्छा सा वर्ड, इफ यू कैन गिव एग्जांपल ऑफ इट। उत्कर्ष, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? उत्कर्ष,
Yes, sir.
this is not like term, we cannot add or subtract on like terms. Okay, so दोनों ही बच जाएगा। अभिषेक was correct, मतलब you cannot add or या नेक्स्ट।
सर तो जो +1 है सर वो डायरेक्ट बाद में सर नीचे आ गया।
अगर बच गया तो लिखोगे, और अगर नहीं बचता तो नहीं लिखते। जैसे एक्स क्यूब वाले को हम लोगों ने नीचे क्यों नहीं लिखा? क्योंकि कट गया। जो बच गया वो लिखेंगे, और साइन चेंज हुआ केवल इस एक्स स्क्वायर का, तो ये चेंज साइन के साथ लिखा गया, पर 1 में तो कोई ऐसा चेंजेज आया नहीं। और पूछिए, और अगर लगता है कोई डाउट, एक बार इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए, इसको आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करके देखिए क्या ये आंसर आता है। क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कि अगर 5 से हम इफ़ वी डिवाइड 35 by 5 and the quotient is 7, then what do actually we do to find the verification? Quotient into divisor, 7 5s are 35. So simply you can multiply and check whether the answer is correct or wrong. Utkarsh, you can do that. Any other question?
सर
बोलिए बोलिए।
सर एक क्वेश्चन है, पॉलिनोमियल containing one non-zero term is called a
A polynomial contain one
non-zero term.
only one non monomial। बच्चों, मोनोमियल में हाँ एक ही टर्म होता है उसमें, यानी एक नॉन जीरो टर्म होता है मोनोमियल। 2 के बारे में बात करेंगे बाइनोमियल, 3 के बारे में बात करेंगे ट्राइनोमियल। ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट। क्या बात है, इट्स रियली गुड, आई एम एंजॉइंग दैट यू ऑल आर एक्साइटेड and you all are enthusiastically working hard. This is really very good. Now see, here is the polynomial set 1. Okay, I am asking from Utkarsh. You will see there is a variety of question. Here polynomial x is x plus 3, and it is written that you have to add polynomial x and x minus x. So polynomial of x is x plus 3, and when you take minus x, then only a number in place of x, it will be minus x. Okay, so minus x is minus x plus 3.
0.
Tell me what will be the answer?
0 sir. 0. 0 sir.
देखिए, c polynomial of x is x plus 3. अब आप मुझे बताओ polynomial of y is y plus 3. मुझे बताओ polynomial of m square x is, बोलो what will be happen?
सर m² + 3।
No, m square x plus 3. Okay, polynomial of this is this plus 3.
सर व्हाट इज दिस सर?
अरे it is a symbol, it represent a complex number, simple number or whatever. But now you have to answer me, polynomial of minus x is equal to
minus x plus 3.
clear.
Minus x.
So now add these two. What will be its result?
Answer will be 6.
Now confusion regarding 0 is cleared.
Yes, sir.
So, however, but this sign is an important. Whatever the number you are getting, you can use only it is at the place of x only, not at 3. Got it? Not at constant. Got it? Utkars.
Yes, sir.
So it is 6. Now, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, this is a formula. Then
Sir, but
x,
in question number 1, px is equals to x plus 3, then px plus p minus x is equal to 6. But sir, there is something confusion, sir, in that.
what is?
Sir, confusion हो रहा है कुछ.
हाँ, क्या कंफ्यूजन है बोलो.
सर, p x से भी इंटू सर तो फिर p x और p माइनस कैसे हुआ सर?
मतलब मैं बोल रहा हूँ, इफ देयर इज अ फॉर्मूला पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस 3, देन पी माइनस एक्स कैसे हुआ, मतलब इट इज द क्वेश्चन. आपको निकालना है P2 का वैल्यू क्या होगा, बोलिए आंसर.
सर 2
बोलो.
ओके सर. सर सर px मींस रहेगा सर तो उसमें 3 ऐड हो जाएगा सर. अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन रहेगा सर px तो उसमें 3 ऐड हो जाएगा.
For only this question, very important question is this, and only for this question this formula is applicable. And
Okay.
if you are given find P2, अब अगर यहाँ क्वेश्चन लिखता फाइंड करो P2 और प्लस फाइंड करो P11, तो इस फॉर्मूले को यूज करते और बनाते, जो पूछता वो बनाते. वो तो क्वेश्चन पे डिपेंड कर रहा है, व्हाट द क्वेश्चन वांट टू आस्क. Formula is given by the question, if is there, so this formula is applicable in this question. Clear?
Yes sir.
आगे बढ़े.
Yes sir. Sir then px will be equal to x plus 3 and p minus x will be equal to minus x plus 3.
Yes, and adding these two will result in cancelling x, and 3 plus 3 is 6. Clear? Now next question number 2. The formula is, it is to be learnt, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc or xyz only if x plus y plus z is equal to 0. This is a formula that is to be learnt. This is a formula that is to be learnt. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be equal to 3xyz.
Sir, but how sir? When x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then this means sir almost all the numbers are 0 sir. Then.
How can you say that?
Can you prove that?
Of course, see here. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is a formula. Okay. When you multiply x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the formula that is required to be learned in class 9. Okay, got it?
Yes.
You have to learn this. Okay, now let me explain. If you multiply this with this, you will get this. So if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then 0 into the whole bracket. Tell me what will be its answer? 0 into whole bracket? 0.
0.
So your answer will be x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 0. And now tell me x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to, if this number is sent to this side.
Sir, Px by Z.
Clear?
Yes, sir. But sir, how this formula is made, sir, and can you prove this?
Of course, here I am to prove, and thank you for this brilliant question. This is a question of class 9. And to prove this formula, you require to learn expansion and factorization formula of a cube plus b cube. Let me explain. See, a cube plus b cube, it has two formulas. One is the factorization formula, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Wait a minute, beta, I'm just going to check the time. It is over, beta. And this is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab bracket a plus b. These two formulas required to use this or proving this. Now see, as the time is over and your teacher will join, but this is a very important question, Utkarsh, remember it and try to complete this question by me only. Okay, I am happy to answer it because this is a very important question of class 9. How we will be using a cube plus b cube plus c cube